Today, we're going to be doing one of the cheapest and easiest Jeep Gladiator performance upgrades that you can make, and we're going to be replacing the rear stock bump stops with some metal cloak ones. Now, these are going to be a much bigger upgrade. I'll show the video how they work. They're going to compress and add a lot more performance. You don't need any tools. You're going to see how quick it is. It's like a 30-second install per side, so like a minute. You just yank these ones out and shove these ones in. It's super simple. So it's a great little upgrade if you have a rooftop tent, you carry a lot of stuff in your bed, or you tow a lot with your Gladiator. A cheap and good upgrade is to check out these metal cloak bump stops.